I start doing, I start arranging them. Quickly, I will start arranging them now. So, I do that. And I just keep going round. So you do it layer by layer. The first layer you use like 3 or so. So you use like 3. Can you see I'm placing it halfway? Just like you're doing your sugar flour exactly. Okay. Then you take the next one. So you can see this is like halfway again. And I stick. So you can see in between I add. All right. And make sure it's on the same axis. Can you see it's on the same, not that one is up, one is down, okay? Okay, so I continue like that. Okay. So, you know, I keep going. As I continue, so I keep going like that. So how many is this? And you know, you need to keep going, because if you just arrange it anyhow, one side will be bigger than the other. So even when you finish, make sure you adjust it properly, which I'm going to do. I'll make sure I adjust it properly and all that. Okay, so I look at it just in case I'm wondering where I did the last one. So, you know, you can see in between, I add another one and I keep adjusting it. So are you following? And you can decide to stop at 10 if you want. You can decide to stop at 10, but I'll just make it a bit fuller. Okay, so I come here. No, at every point, make sure you press it down properly. So I'm going to adjust it with my hand later. Then I grab another one. So my finger is full of glue. Isn't this so easy? And it's important you practice, because sometimes when you watch things, it looks easier than when you do it yourself. So if you don't practice it, you will not. So I'll just put a bit of glue. I think I'm going to stop here at this point and just wire my flower. And bring it up. Okay, so at this point, I will stop here. So how many have I used in total? A bit big, can also be smaller. So I'm going to now adjust it. So you can imagine using different colors. You can imagine using pink, peach. Do you understand? They are so beautiful, right? Okay, so I will then adjust it now. Adjust. Adjust. You know, if you want to even go further, you can dust the top here. You can dust the top here to have you know. So right now I'm going to now tape it. Okay, can you see that? All right.